Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about the Aroma Magic Reviving Oxy Pack. This is my all-time favorite pack. It is free of parabens, harsh chemicals, alcohol, artificial fragrance and colors. This pack contains organic aloe vera gel and lavender essential oil that detoxify the skin and makes it look radiant and healthy. It also contains antioxidants that make your skin look refreshed and bright. The Oxy Pack is a clear gel in texture which makes easy to apply on the face. It absorbs into the skin within a minute and gives a cooling effect. Apply a layer evenly on the face and neck area and leave it for an overnight or for 20 minutes and then rinse it off gently with water. This pack is suitable for all skin types. I use it twice a week. Why I like about the Aroma Magic Oxy Pack? Because it gives me an instant radiant glow and healthy refreshed soft skin. And it works amazingly well on my oily skin. Please check the description box below for more details. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.